On our tasting block, you'll see a number of contrasting textures. In fact, there are 10, one each. And we're going to ask you what's in your designated texture.
As always, there is a little bit of a twist. We are going to blindfold you one at a time, and after a good, thorough taste, you'll give us your best assessment of the flavours on your plate. Your level of accuracy will decide the order you'll run through the pantry for your first cook today.
Right, let's start with the person who delivered our dish of the day last time. That would be you, Gemma.
Oh, okay.
Hope you come.
But what kind of advantage is this, being first to taste?
I think we'll go here.
Just had a coffee.
Toast. Thoughts?
That egg yolk, it's got some kind of creme anglaise or something
Creme
like that.
anglaise, we like that word.
It's a crumb.
What's the flavour you're tasting in the crumb?
Maybe a really subtle hint of ginger.
It's as easy as that. Creme anglaise and ginger nut.
Crumb.
Well done, blindfold.
Nice work, Gemma.
Lily, you're up, please.
This is fried shallots.
Ding.
Avocado with lemon.
2 for 2. Well done. Right, Richard.
Pancetta.
Pancetta, well done. Now the smooth texture.
Cauliflower.
Well done. Hayley, up you come. You're really good at things like this, so Hayley.
Oh, I don't have very good taste buds. Can I say pork crackling?
You can say whatever you like.
Okay, pork crackling.
No. Let's see how you go with the smooth texture.
I've had that flavour in my mouth before.
So have I.
Parsnip puree.
Parsnip puree is wrong, Hayley. It was, in fact, crispy chicken skin with white bean puree. Glenda.
Tastes like a yogurt.
Yogurt is right, but there is a definite flavour in the yogurt.
It's not honey.
It is a beautiful yogurt with a delicious halala vanilla through it.
Oh.
OK, go for the texture.
Almond.
Almond is correct. Well done, half right.
Thank you.
Thanks, Glenda. Used to wearing blindfolds, Tim?
No, not at all. Not at all. Yeah, where's my mouth?
In front of your face.
Potato puree.
Potato puree is correct.
Is it crispy mustard?
No, it is not, I'm afraid. It is crispy quinoa.
OK.
So I walk up and Al blindfolds me, hands me a spoon, and as soon as I taste it, I know what it is. It's apple crumble.
Apple crumble. Boom, well done. This is just not a fun and game sort of birthday, you know, pin the tail. This is about learning and thinking about those things that we talk about to you in the kitchen all the time. Who's next? Is that how you normally eat?
Pear?
Pear is incorrect. What about the texture?
Raisin.
It was, in fact, whipped cream with dehydrated plums. Quite sour.
Yeah.
I want to say kumara.
Kumara is correct. Well done, Sarah. Give me the texture.
Is it bacon?
No, it's not bacon. It is duck skin. Got the kumara, and that was hard. Ben, maybe I'll just do a whole little swipe of the lot.
Dehydrated raspberries.
Correct.
Pineapple puree.
Wrong. Lemon curd.
Lemon curd.
So that should put you in great stead for these cooks today. It's one of the things we want you to be thinking about is textural contrast. All right, you've got 5 minutes to go. And remember, one person will be going home. It will be their last 5 minutes in the MasterChef kitchen.
This curd has taken me so long that I'm so behind the 8 ball.
My panna cottas are looking a little bit unfortunate.
Frozen.
Yeah.
Why don't you put them in the fridge?
I didn't think that's set in time. This whole challenge for the past 55 minutes gone min. Like, everything's sweet. These panna cotta, which are meant to be the sort of main part of my dish, and they're just not playing ball, and I'm thinking to myself, right, this is it. This is it for Ben. I'm gone.
I was finished a little bit earlier, but this time it was only because I had such a disaster with my plating in the last one. I wanted to give myself time just in case the dumplings sunk to the bottom or the sauce went everywhere. I just wanted time just in case it didn't work.
My first cook didn't go great. My second cook went even worse. I'm frustrated.
So, did we leave timid Tim at home?
I think they called me that because I picked the soft option last time. So I've gone all guns blazing today and it hasn't worked. So definitely not timid Tim, maybe silly Tim today.
Describe the dish, Tim.
So it's Italian meringue with green apple four ways. A curd, a gel, some nice fresh green apple, and then the popcorn has a green apple sugar syrup over the top.
OK, great, Tim. Well, can you leave us to taste?
Yeah, absolutely. Enjoy, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. I find it a bit clumsy. The popcorn with the toffee on it's a bit soft and chewy. That's sort of sticking to my teeth.
The brief was textures today, and I think there's a lot of textures going on in there. The only thing I don't like about the dish is the little square apple cubes.
I really like the meringue. If he had blowtorched the hell out of it and really got a crust on there, a real nice brulee, you know, that would have really helped. I think he's just got ratios a little bit wrong.
Ben, how are you feeling?
I was feeling really good until plating, and I feel like I've really let myself down.
Tell us the name of the dish.
So I've done a strawberries and cream panna cotta, shortbread, and a braised rhubarb with balsamic pearls.
Thanks, Ben. Thanks, Ben.
Once again, it looks a little bit clumsy, but all those components, I think, together will taste really quite delicious.
I really like it. I actually think it's delicious. The panna cotta is delicious. Very, very light. It is strawberries and cream. Rhubarb's lovely. Pearls are nice. They add a little bit of acid. And there's some really nice balance in there. I actually think he's pulled it off.
Hey, Hattie.
Hey.
Are you glad that this is a game of two halves?
Oh, so glad that it wasn't just on the first dish.
We could feel the disappointment.
Yeah. I think I just realised that that wasn't me. So I had to turn it back around so that I could give you something that was me.
Great. So tell us about this. This is the redemption dish.
Tofu and chicken dumplings with a miso eggplant puree and master stock. It was a dish that I made for my dad, who hates tofu and he hates eggplant, and I was determined to convert him.
This dish has got to eat like you would not believe to keep you in the game.
Yeah, I know.
Let's be honest. You believe in this dish?
I do.
Would Dad be happy with this dish?
Yes. Yeah, it's something that my dad really loves, so I only pull it out when, you know, I need to get some good results. So yeah, gut it if they don't like it.
Let us taste. Thank you.
See you, Hattie.
Gee, that eggplant's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
The eggplant and the sauce that she's made really brings it all together very, very well.
And she's shown great technique with making those dumplings
Aren't
too.
they perfect?
You know, she's really like pulled one out of the bag on that. So
she has come back fighting, and it doesn't surprise me whatsoever. One bad dish, one great dish. Is it enough? I'm not sure. We've got to taste the rest.
Mint parfait with a mint jelly, and then a coffee, chocolate, and rum mousse.
Are you a bit worried?
Yeah, a little bit.
You're always quite worried though, aren't you?
Yeah, my worry wolf.
Let's try it.
If I blindfolded myself and ate that without looking at it, you know, I'd be smiling all the way to the bank, wouldn't I?
the combination of all of those flavours together, it just makes your mouth just feel gorgeous.
The old worrywart, she's done it again.
What have you done for us?
It's seared salmon, wasabi mash, pickled radish, and nori.
I think you did a great job with the salmon skin. There's your big textural contrast. Again, you've gone and tried to add more. It's maybe too much.
In hindsight,
simplicity, that sort of thing.
Thanks, Gemma.
Okay,
we'll try it now.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Gemma.
It's delicious.
It's really good. It's really refreshing and light and lovely.
It's very Japanese, isn't it?
Salmon skin. It was like kindling.
It's great.
Beautiful. what have you cooked for us?
I've got a blue cheese and vanilla panna cotta, some oatmeal crumb, pears, rhubarb and sultanas, just a little stew there, and sugar-coated walnuts.
I look at it and I think, gee, that looks really appetising. It looks like you've thought about doing something that's a little bit more modern and push the boat out a little bit. So thanks, Richard. Great.
Thank you.
Thanks, Richard.
Let's try it.
It looks so appetising.
If the panna cotta was just a little bit more set, I'd give this 10 out of 10.
I love it. I think it's delicious.
I don't feel like I'm going to be in the bottom. I know I didn't do really well, but I feel like I've done enough to stay here.
Tell us about your dish.
So this is a poached pear and ginger and walnut crumb and caramel sauce.
What's it poached in?
It was poached in ginger beer, cloves and star anise.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks, Jemima.
Thank you
Thanks,
very much.
Jemima. I think there's something missing. The pear looks sort of clunky, just sitting up there like that.
Yeah, we're going to see whether she's cored it or not, or taken the insides out, which hopefully she has.
Or has not.
Not. Which makes it just a poached pear. You know, caramel sauce isn't that complex, and neither is a crumb. These guys have shown us lots of that before.
For me, I think the pear is poached perfectly. How many times you get a pear and you're going to bite your way around the plate with it?
Yeah.
I think she's cooked it beautifully, but it could have been just sugar syrup.
I hate to say it because I hate to use the word, but it is a little bit boring.
Now is the highlight of the day. I am presenting my swans to the judges.
Hey, Lily.
Hello.
How would this read on a menu?
Profiterole 3 ways with a tropical cream.
OK, brilliant. We're going to taste now.
All right,
Thanks,
enjoy.
Lily.
Cheers, Lily.
I actually can't believe that that is in front of us. I mean, it's... Al, you've made those before, the old swans?
The swans,
How
it just
many
takes
years
me
has it
back.
been?
Yeah,
25 years, 20
Swans
years?
and strawberry waistcoats. I remember all these things. And when I saw her doing it, I didn't know whether to laugh or cry.
19 dishes we've eaten today.
It's kind
This
of
one
like...
sits out there on its own, way out on its own.
I can't wait to try them.
That is perfection in choux pastry. You don't get choux pastry better than that. And that's why we love her, you know, because she is so technically good.
It's pretty damn good.
It's really damn good.
Lily, I'm still having 80s flashbacks. Your swans and all your other pastries were stunning. Sarah, Lily, your top 9.
Yay! I'm through to the top 9. I hope one day I will be one of the top 2.
Jemima, you were just a little one-dimensional today. And in the company you're in, that unfortunately just doesn't stand up. I'm sorry to say, you've been outcooked. Hayley, you're safe.
I give her a massive hug. I don't want to let go, because I know that I'm not going to see her for a while.